Hey guys, I'm going to talk to you about the island, the hero versus villain assignment, and how to use the word generator that's in there. So our stuff for the island, I want to tell you, is actually going to be in the beginning of next week because this is when you're going to be doing the assignments, and it's all going to be in the Monday folder. You will have Monday and Tuesday to work on it, but it will all be in the Monday folder for you. So if you get to Monday, you're going to click the hero versus villain assignment. And then you're going to be choosing from these four characters. You're going to be choosing a hero and a villain. So you're going to have two characters that you're going to choose. And then you're going to pick 5 words that describe them. And I gave you a word bank down here. If you want to use a different word, another word, that's fine. It's just 5 words that really are going to describe your character. For you. So you're going to do 1 for the hero and 1 for the villain. Now I want you to use this word cloud generator as your kind of template for each one. So I'm going to show you how that works. So you'll click on the link there. I have it up right here. It's going to take you to this website, and you can do a lot of cool things with this, and I want you to try and be as creative as possible. You can change the shape of your words together. So if I wanted to make it, so it's a Pac-Man right now, if I wanted to make it paw print, I could do that too. And if you want to pick, actually no, we're going to keep it to 5 words, I lied. If you want to have a mask on there, it's just going to have colored dots around the words. You can change the colors, you can change the fonts. I don't know what that is. And then you go here, you can change the size. The word list, this is where you're going to enter your words. So right now it has all these words on there. Alright, and I haven't figured out a way to make this easier, so what I just did is I went and I held down shift, and then you can actually, I think you can select multiple. So you're going to click this little button right here. You're going to be able to select multiple. Maybe. Yeah. And then delete, and then you need to delete all of them but one. And then you can keep adding new words. So this might take a second. I haven't figured out a way to actually clear it all. So if you find a way to clear it all, let me know. So then we have 4 words left. So if I wanted to pick, gotta click off of that. If I wanted to pick like brave, kind, selfless, and let's go wise. Okay. So then I would click. I would also have to add my person. So let's say this is Lincoln. Click apply. And it's going to, oh, where's the other words? So I found out if you make this picture a little bit smaller, if you change the size, you'll be able to see most of your words. I don't know why when you make it bigger like this, it doesn't show all of the words. So I would make it a little bit smaller so it does show all of your words. You can also change the colors of like your background and your words. I think these actually change the color of the words if I remember right. Yeah, so you can change the color of the words, you can change the font of the words to whatever. And then you can save as an image. You can screenshot it and upload it to your document, however you want to submit that. But that's kind of how this word cloud works for you guys.